Hey everyone, Paul Anthony Edwards here from Resistance Health, and today we're going to be going over how to spin a bow staff. This is your basic spin, your number one spin. If someone tells you to go into number one spin, this is what it looks like. It's nothing all too fancy, but we're going to learn exactly how to do it. Once you get it, you're going to get it. This right here is the Pro Force bow staff that I picked up for about $20 from my nearest martial arts supermarket. Now a lot of you, I know you're saying, I don't have a bow staff, what am I going to train with? This is what you can pick up right here. This is a broomstick. So you can take your broomstick, and in your dominant hand, you're going to hold it out. I'm right-handed, so this is my right side. I'm going to hold it out in front of me like this. Now with my left hand, I'm going to place that right on top with palms open to the sky. And when I turn my wrist over, I'm going to turn my wrist fully out and have my hand open and kind of flick this up. So you're ending in this position here. You're barely holding onto it with your thumb, but that's okay because once it's at that point, our hand is going to be here to catch it with the other thumb open, and we're going to close it. On this side, once we catch it, we're going to turn all the way around until our arm is kind of locked out like this, and then we're going to let it go to be caught by the other hand once again. I'll show you what that looks like. So nice and slow. We're opening, we're catching, we're turning our hands, and this bottom hand is going to turn over and grab it like that. And we're going to start that process all over again. Alright? And you're going to start out at a nice slow pace like this, and eventually you'll be able to pick it up to a point where you're dodging bullets with your bow. So the motion that we're going to do with our arms is up and down like a bird, right? We're not overextending, but we're giving a little bit of way so our arms have somewhere to move. And this is a good motion right here. We're going to flap our wings, and we're going to take this, we're going to soar. Now as I switch to this bow staff, something to watch out for. You're going to be spinning your staff, and you might come up to an end where you're spinning, and you're suddenly all the way up here. You started out in the middle. Whoa, what's going on? Alright, so what's happening is you're not fully turning your wrists. What you want to do is completely turn your wrists over. That way you're staying in the same spot. Now with this Pro Force bow staff, it has a little marker pretty much in the middle, so that's a good indicator on where you want to hold your hands. If you have a broomstick, I would suggest maybe putting a piece of tape right in the middle there, so you can have an indicator on where to twirl your hands. A piece of electrical tape or just masking tape will do, as long as you can see it. And that'll be good for that. Alright, now the key to this is just practicing, making sure you're getting enough repetitions in. So you'll get to a point where you're comfortable spinning the staff, and you can just train faster and faster. And then what I would recommend doing is switching sides. So now this is your dominant hand. You're going to switch sides and come over, making sure that we're ambidextrous even on both sides. So guys, if you liked that video, you know exactly what to do. I'm Paul Anthony from Resistance Health. Until next time.